All right, so this is the unboxing of the Honeywell
Console humidifier.
Console Humidifier. Okay.
You don't even know?
And it came from the FedEx.
It came from FedEx. Look, they tried. Margaret was very excited to get this.
Yes.
And we were not here when FedEx tried to deliver it, and so I've been hearing about this all Thanksgiving weekend.
Yes, because when we had to go over to the FedEx store and pick it up, and the cats are very interested in what you're doing there.
All right, this is very exciting. Straight
What
from
is that?
Influencer.
Oh yeah, it's an Influencer Voxbox deal.
And the cats are very excited by the idea of a box.
Exactly.
So,
brand new box.
just to give you an idea, the box for the humidifier really is this big.
Wow.
But it does have this very convenient
Handle,
although actually it's only somewhat convenient.
Oh, it's probably styrofoam that packages it to keep it from getting broken in the mail. There we go. Okay.
So, it is a top fill, cool moisture humidifier. And you can see that little Mickey here thinks it's the coolest thing ever.
Exactly.
And there's a box for you, Tiger. It seems to be fairly easy to open up.
Yeah, this one is now for high moisture output, so I'm looking forward to this. Our bedroom is very odd shape. It's also got a very high ceiling, so I'm hoping that this finally solves that problem of, you know, a humidifier not being able to humidify a room that large.
You can see they want us to get to know our cool moisture evaporative humidifier.
Okay.
Now, and they actually conveniently give you the quick start guide right there.
It's for people like you that never read instructions.
Exactly. It's for men. All right. Now that's smart.
What's that?
That's the packaging that comes off in one piece. And then, let's see.
Come out. It has wheels, I think. It looks like it in the picture anyway.
Let's see. Actually, the packaging is great. As you saw, it came out in one piece from the top.
Yeah.
And then the styrofoam
It's attached.
is attached, so you're not left with all sorts of packaging.
Materials, yeah. So there it is, in the bag.
All right.
Ooh, wow, it's got even more packaging. Yeah, this has 2 tanks, I remember.
2 tanks, and what actually is distinctive about this is, and we'll see this as soon as we get this completely unboxed, is unlike most humidifiers, where in order to fill the tank, you have to take the entire piece out, bring it to wherever you want to go.
Yeah.
This
Oh, it's got a little door.
is a little door, and you can pour water in from the top,
Okay.
which is great because that way you're not carrying around a big thing all the time and having water dripping. You can actually just bring some water. And what I would do is take one of those gallon bottles that we have from the distilled water we use.
Right.
We keep them, fill them up, pour it in,
Yep.
and you've carried a gallon of water to it.
Yep. Cool.
So there's one side,
Okay.
which looks like it holds about a gallon or so.
Okay.
Maybe a gallon and a half.
So it doesn't look like we're going to have to fill it too much.
Well, obviously it depends on how dry your
Well, yeah, I guess we'll find out, yeah.
house gets. And, oops. I'm already doing my best to.
What's that important tag say?
Important. Only use water.
Only use water?
No, I'm kidding. Remove water tank, line up the float rod. Push the float rod firmly until you hear it snap into both brackets. pull gently on the float rod to be sure that it doesn't pop out of the bracket. All right, just wants to make sure that you don't get angry that it's not working.
Oh.
All right, there it is. The ever beautiful Honeywell humidifier.
Oh, cool. Oops. What did you just do? Oh, that's...
I'm proving how graceful I am.
You accidentally moved the tank. Yeah, well, so we're probably going to put it somewhere and then not move it then, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's the way it goes.
And no, by the way, it does not have...
It does not have wheels?
Wheels.
Okay. All right. Well, we might want to put it down on something then. Wow, there's a big filter back there. Okay. That's the unboxing.